Hey, Jonathan here. Let's go ahead and create a layout as we are learning 2D CADing from 3D modeling basics for architecture design in Archicad. Let's do this. Excellent. So now that we have generated all our worksheets with different trace references, we should now think about the layout that we have. Where should what go? And that should go together with all the thinking we're doing about how we want to draw the windows, the stairs, etc., etc. To do that, we're going to move from project map to view map on the left side and from view map to layout on the right side. Now here on the layout part, we have two options for you. Like these are the finished exercise. Right now we're going to do the layout sketch. All right, so a layout sketch is going to be like this. We're just going to start a new layout. Wait a second, make sure that we are here. All right, we're going to need a new layout from here. And we're going to call it our layout or my layout. Change the paper size to A3 landscape. Click OK. Now that I have it, I should now be able to close this property so that you see the views properly here. We are under live exercise. We want to transfer all of my worksheets holding down the Shift key into the layout in one go. Now, as you'll see, you're going to get all of these. All right, so you should get all of these like this. And as you can see now, we see that small squares, which allows us now to prepare a proper layout to make sure that we want to invest the time where we want to and not where we don't. So let's go ahead and select these three that we know are going to go in the other direction. The floor plans are all the way up. Then we can for example, move this one next to each other. So basically you could go and start doing your layouting the best way you can. For example, this is the perspective. It has no scale, so we can just override the scale however we want. We can go here and do 200 to figure out how this works, and then effectively go to 50. It still doesn't fit. Let's go to 20. And as you can see, this is how you can start moving around all the layout. This one here, that one there, right? And once you're finished, this should look like this, where we essentially have everything in its right place and where everything is turned off because we don't need the texting for it. But now we know where everything is going to land, and when we start working on these worksheets, the drawing should start appearing here as you draw. All right, so with that in mind, let's CAD. See you in the next one.